Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone news, and we got something new on our hands coming from DJI. We have the DJI Neo on the horizon. Is it a smaller Avata? It was supposed to be set for August 20th, but that didn't come up, but we should see it in a few days. Is this something you're going to be putting on your list? Let's look at some of the specs that they're saying that the Neo will have. Okay, the tentative release date is September 5th. That's coming up. That's tomorrow. Weighing just 135 grams, 12 megapixel camera. Can't go wrong. So it's going to use the RCN3, RCN2. I don't know if it used the RC yet, but we'll have to see. But on the labeling, it says indoor flight. That's something I know I've been looking for. The smaller little Tello really just quite didn't do the trick. Let's check it out and see if you like it. As always, be safe and have fun flying.